Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of error on the application of Chase app. Here we go to settings. So here this first page of settings. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will go to Chase app and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us.